morning, everybody. This is Robyn. I'm going to teach you how to demystify chocolate transfer sheets. Basically, they're really simple to use. They're a piece of acetate with cocoa butter that's colored on one side in a pattern, smooth on the other. And you want to always make sure that that pattern side is up when you're using it, because you want that to transfer to your chocolate and not transfer at all, because that has happened. Start with a silpat sheet, an offset spatula, a knife, a scoop, a pair of scissors, and some tempered chocolate. If you don't have tempered chocolate, that's okay. You can use just melted chocolate, but remember, you're going to have to put it in your refrigerator to get it to set up. And that's all you need. So let's get started. We're going to start with just a simple Oreo cookie. It's something everybody loves, is chocolate dipped Oreo cookie. Dip it in. Make sure you get a whole lot on the back side of it, because that's where your pattern's going to be. Shake it off real good, and then lay it down on your transfer sheet. It's that simple. That's all there is to it. Then, you've seen those really expensive dipped chocolates, strawberries at the stores. Well, we're going to make them even fancier. Dip your chocolate in almost to the top. You really want to get a lot of chocolate on there. Shake it off and shake, shake, shake. And then you want to make sure that if you have any little drips that you just can't seem to shake off, kind of tip it up and then lay it down and push it forward just a bit in order to get all of that chocolate and to get a nice smooth bottom on there. Simple enough to do. Another great thing is to use a chocolate on the back side of a cookie, or even the flat side of a cookie or a brownie. Smooth it all the way out to the edges using plenty of chocolate. Get that smoothed on there nice and thick. And then just lay your cookie down. Real simple. Lay it down and then put your transfer sheet pattern sign down, and remember, and push out all of the bubbles. You'll have to push them to the edges because bubbles do form, but that's not a big deal. Then set it aside. I'm going to show you a tip here that I just absolutely love. Simple. Take a strip of the transfer sheet. You're going to get a big scoop of chocolate and going to dump that on your transfer sheet. Just glop it all in. Don't have to be fancy. Just glop, 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 just like that. Take your offset spatula and smooth that chocolate out to the very edges. It doesn't need to be thick or thin. It doesn't have to do anything but go all the way to the edges. You don't want it too thin, but also you don't have to worry about the smoothness of it all, because this is going to be the inside of your project. And so it can be messy. You just want to make sure it goes all the way to the edges and gets that all done. Once that's done, pick it up, and then you're going to press the ends together lightly. Don't press it too much. It will stand on end. You've got a nice little teardrop there, and then set it back down and let the chocolate set up. And that'll be something you can see. I've got a small one there. It'll be something I'll show you in just a minute once we get that done. Another way up. Got some chocolate on my hand. Got to get that wiped off. It's a hazard of the job. Chocolate on my hands. What a terrible thing. But you smooth that out again on another chocolate sheet. You take your favorite cookie cutter or even a knife to cut a pattern. Press it in really good once the chocolate is set up. And then you can see the chocolate will come out. And this, I've cut a leaf pattern. And you can use that in the top of a cupcake to make it really, really fancy. And it looks really, really nice. It's one of my favorite things. So you can cut little squares, and also you can get these personalized for wedding favors. You can find companies that'll do personal ones for you to make it even more your style, which is really, really great. It's one of my favorite things to do. So let's look at those results that we have. Amazing. There's your pattern. Simple, easy. In the span of 5 minutes, we've got some really cute things to dress up. Baby showers, wedding showers, nice dinners. Great thing to have for when the kids come home. Look at that strawberry. Is that so cute? I love it. And the simplest things to do. Let's show you how to use that teardrop. We'll take the small one I made earlier, and you just peel away the acetate. Look at that. It comes off, leaves the dots on the other side completely off. You want to take that, put it on a plate. I've got my plate here. Put it on a plate. Grab your whipped cream out of your glass. You've had it in a tube ready to go. Put that, squeeze that in there, put all the way to the top. You can use chocolate mousse, you can use white chocolate, whipped cream, put a strawberry on top, and wow. Anybody you serve this to will think you've worked all day, and you know how easy that was to make. So simple and so fun. Leftover chocolate. If you don't know what to do with leftover chocolate, I'll tell you, this is a great way to use it. Grab some of those great California walnuts, take a scoop of that leftover chocolate. Yeah, just like that. And roll those walnuts in there. I don't know anyone that doesn't like a chocolate-covered walnut. Your friends, neighbors, relatives, loved ones, everyone will be beating a path to your door to grab those. They set up quickly, easily. You've used up your chocolate. You haven't wasted a drop. And they're just great to have around. They're a great resource, quick treat for everybody. And that's all there is to demystifying chocolate transfer sheets. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.